now I'm gonna tell you why I wanted to cut my hair now. What was in my mind. So basically, I love to cut my hair at the beginning of new moon because it's a new cycle. Okay, this is my point of view, my belief. You may agree or disagree with me, but this is me. So I'm sharing a part of me with you. So as usual, I love to cut my hair in a new moon cycle, but it's gonna be in about 5 days from now. But in the same time, I just felt yesterday, I wanna have a new start. So it's been a little bit of a conflicted thing at workplace. I work in multiple places, so in 2 workplaces I just have a lot of conflicting, a lot of stress, a lot of bad feelings. I begin to have this negative energy, and one of these 2 work I completely left it. I just left it from 2 days ago. I decided I'm not gonna work in this place anymore, even though I need the money. I'm not gonna work there. I'm done, and it was a massive, I'm not gonna say disagreement, but it was the owner of the hospital was so rude. So I decided no, I'm not gonna take shit because I'm not gonna again. So I just left the work. When he did something wrong, something that I can't stand, that's it. I will not work with you, and just left the work out of nowhere without even thinking what I'm gonna do next. So I decided to have a new start, and I felt in my heart this is a fresh start for me. So or something, the universe is telling me it's your time to direct your attention to something different. I was thinking about taking this step in a couple of months, 2 or 3 months in the future, but I felt like the universe telling me, no, don't wait, it's your time, do it now. That's how I felt it after just one day. I took the hit and decided to leave the work, and then I just let it sit in. I don't fight my feelings, my negative feelings. I don't fight it. I just let it in and just absorb it and hold it, embrace it. And I know by doing this it will help to dissolve and change it into something better. And that what happened, that I felt that it's my trigger, it's my it's my sign to tell me, the universe telling me it's your time to do another new step in your life, out of your comfort zone again. So I was sitting at home yesterday. I should be at work from yesterday, but I'm not. I'm home, and I feel so happy. I'm feeling so happy being at home actually. And I was sitting I was watching a couple of makeup videos I have on my computer, and then it hit me. I need to have a fresh haircut. So this butterfly video came in front of me, and it was still telling me, this is for you, do it, and just make you happy, do it. And then decided, okay, I'm gonna do it. So yeah, and I should do it in 5 days in a moon cycle, but a new moon cycle, but I decided to do it today because I felt like it's a new beginning for me. I'm not gonna postpone it to a 5 day in the future. I'm gonna do it now. So it's about intention. It's more about intention, because you create the energy. You are energy, you create energy. I'm not gonna wait for the moon. I'm just focus on, this is my new beginning. I'm gonna cut my hair, cut the split end, the bad ends, the rough ends, the feeling of unfreshness away from my hair, and cut it from my life as well, because I'm doing this in real life. I cut the bad and negative energy in a workplace, and I love the work completely, and I'm gonna do it to my hair as well, and that will give me this fresh look, fresh feeling, and fresh start. And I believe in that. This is mindfulness, and this is kind of when you put your intention and your energy in something, you will get it. So cutting these ends, while I'm cutting it with you, I was just thinking, I'm letting go of old bad feelings, of all the stress that I had in a couple of months or a couple of weeks, of old negative workplace, of old beliefs, of bad feelings that I felt in the last couple of weeks, and just let it completely go, and having a new fresh start. I was thinking about it while cutting my hair, by the way, and how I feel right now after having the perfect cut ever. Wow. Well, I have two videos cutting my hair. One, like it's from like a couple of years ago when I had long hair. One, like cut your hair straight, and the second one, cut your hair in layers. And this one is kind of different, but actually this one gave me the perfect haircut that I really wanted and I was imagining in my head yesterday while watching these butterfly videos, DIYs. Really. So, how I feel? Magnificent. Magnificent. So, this is for why I did it now and the intention behind it. So, it's like psychologically and spiritually as well. So, it's two sides in one. And if you believe in energy, you believe in intention, you believe in your own energy, believe in your own power, and that you are God and you are the source of everything. And I'm so happy. So yeah, this is for you. If you are thinking of cutting your hair to start a new beginning, it's not only a fresh cut, it's a fresh beginning. So this is for this video. I really hope you like it. And yeah. So of course, as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends. If you like it, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. Oh my god, my energy is still pumping now. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. And I love you so much, guys. Bye!